With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, maximum coordination of body part is found at the age of, and the options are 10 years, 20 years, 35 years, 5 years. So as we all know that control and coordination in human being is take place through the nervous system. Okay, nervous system and hormonal system. Okay, so which is combined together and form endocrine system. Okay, and an effector is a part of the body which responds to a stimulus according to the instructions sent from the nervous system. Okay, sent from the nervous system. The muscles and glands are effectors of the body. So, maximum coordination of body parts is found in the age of 20 years. So, our option B is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.